Rise and shine, Marco. Time to start the day.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
Sorry, but it's already 7 o'clock.
Really? I'm so exhausted today.
Remember, you have work this morning.
Oh, that's right. I completely forgot.
Come on now, get up and hop in the shower.
All right. I'm getting up now.
I've already made coffee for you.
You're amazing. Thank you so much.
What would you like to eat for breakfast?
Maybe pancakes would be nice?
Unfortunately, we're out of milk.
Oh, no. What else can we make?
We still have eggs and bread available.
Perfect. Let's do eggs and toast then.
I'll handle cooking the eggs.
And I'll put the bread in the toaster.
Would you prefer tea or coffee?
Coffee, please. That sounds great.
Have you seen my phone anywhere?
Is it on the sofa?
No, I just checked there.
Try looking in the bathroom.
Oh, I found it on the kitchen counter.
You always misplace your phone, Erica.
I know, it's a bad habit.
Breakfast is ready now.
Thanks so much. I'm starving.
Excuse me, could you tell me if this is the bus stop?
Yes, that's correct. You're at the right place.
Which bus should I take to go downtown?
You need bus number 23 for that route.
How frequently does it arrive?
It comes every 15 minutes or so.
What's the current time?
It's 9:30 right now.
Did I miss the earlier bus?
No, the next one comes at 9:45.
What's the fare for a single ticket?
It's $2.50 for a one-way trip.
Where can I purchase my ticket?
You can buy one at the machine over there.
Is it possible to pay when I board?
Yes, but you'll need exact change for that.
How long does the journey take?
Approximately 20 minutes total.
How many stops are there before downtown?
There are 7 stops along the way.
Oh, I see the bus approaching now.
Yes, that's our bus. Let's queue up.
Should I wave to get the driver's attention?
Yes, just raise your hand to signal.
Thank you for all your assistance.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your day.
Hello there. I'm Erica. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Erica. I'm Marco. Pleasure to meet you too.
Where are you originally from, Marco?
I come from Italy. What about you?
I'm from Australia originally.
Oh, that's interesting. What brings you here?
I'm working here now, actually.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an English teacher at a language school.
That's wonderful. I'm trying to learn English.
Really? How long have you been studying?
For about 6 months now.
Your English is actually very good.
Thank you. I make sure to practice daily.
And what do you do, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm currently a university student.
What subject are you studying?
I'm studying art at the university.
Are you enjoying your studies?
Yes, I absolutely love it.
Would you be interested in practicing English together?
Yes, that would be really helpful.
We could meet for coffee sometime.
That sounds perfect. When would work for you?
How about we meet on Saturday?
Saturday works well for me too.
Great. I'll see you then.
See you, Erica. Bye for now.
Hello, may I speak with Sarah?
This is Sarah speaking. Who's calling?
Hi, Sarah. This is Erica calling.
Oh, hello, Erica. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you. And yourself?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking.
Is the connection clear on your end?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly.
Excellent. Are you free right now?
No, I'm not busy at the moment.
I'm calling about our plans for Saturday.
What about Saturday?
Would it be possible to change the time?
Sure, that's not a problem. What time works better?
How does 3 p.m. sound to you?
Let me check my schedule. Yes, that works fine.
Perfect. Same location as before?
Yes, at the coffee shop we agreed on.
Do you need me to send the address again?
No, I remember where it is.
Great. I'm sorry for the last-minute change.
No worries at all. It's perfectly fine.
I'll see you on Saturday then.
Yes, at 3 p.m. sharp.
Thank you for being so flexible, Sarah.
You're welcome, Erica. Goodbye for now.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.
Excuse me, is this seat available?
No, please go ahead and sit down.
Thanks so much. I'm Erica, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Erica. I'm Marco.
Lovely to meet you too, Marco.
Are you a local from this area?
No, I actually come from France.
Really? I absolutely love France.
Oh, have you visited before?
Yes, I went last summer actually.
Which cities did you see?
I visited Paris and Nice.
That's wonderful. What brings you here now?
I'm working here currently.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm a chef at a restaurant downtown.
How about you? What do you do?
I'm a student at the moment.
What are you studying?
I'm studying music theory and performance.
That sounds fascinating. Do you play piano?
Yes, I do actually.
How did I guess? I saw your music book.
Are you a music lover too?
Yes, I'm especially fond of classical music.
Me too. We have that in common.
Would you like to grab coffee sometime?
Sure, I'd love to. When?
How does tomorrow sound?
Tomorrow is perfect.
What time would suit you?
How about 6 p.m.?
That sounds ideal. See you then.
Great. See you tomorrow, Erica.
Bye for now, Marco.
Excuse me, I could use some assistance.
Of course. How may I help you today?
Could you direct me to the bread section?
It's on aisle 3, on the right-hand side.
Thank you. Is the bread freshly baked?
Yes, we bake fresh bread every morning.
How much does one loaf cost?
White bread is $2.99 per loaf.
And what about whole wheat?
Whole wheat is $3.50 per loaf.
I'll take the whole wheat, please.
Is there anything else you need?
Yes. Where can I find the milk?
The dairy products are in aisle 5.
What varieties of milk do you carry?
We have whole, low-fat, and skim milk.
How much for a gallon of low fat?
It's $4.25 for a gallon.
That's a reasonable price. I also need eggs.
They're located right next to the milk.
Are they currently on sale?
Yes, they're $3.99 for a dozen.
Perfect. Where's the checkout counter?
It's at the front of the store.
Thank you for all your help today.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye for now.
Excuse me, I think I'm lost.
Hello there. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the public library.
Oh, the city library downtown?
Yes, that's the one. Do you know it?
Yes, it's not very far from here.
Could you tell me how to get there?
Sure. Pay close attention to the directions.
I'm ready. Go ahead.
Walk straight ahead for 2 blocks.
2 blocks straight. Got it.
Then make a right turn at the bank.
Right at the bank. Understood.
Walk 1 more block, then turn left at the traffic light.
Left at the traffic light. Okay.
You'll see the library right there.
Is it a large building?
Yes, it's big and painted white.
How long will the walk take?
About 10 minutes on foot.
Is there a bus I could take instead?
Yes, bus number 5 goes there.
Where's the bus stop located?
Right across the street from here.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck finding it.
Hello there. Can you assist me?
Yes, certainly. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find a shirt to buy.
What size do you normally wear?
I usually wear a medium size.
What color are you interested in?
I like purple or white.
Here's a nice purple shirt you might like.
May I try this on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. How does this look on me?
It actually looks very nice on you.
Is it too large for me?
No, it fits you perfectly.
How much does this cost?
It's priced at $35.
That's a bit expensive for me.
We have this white one on sale.
What's the price on the white one?
It's only $25 right now.
Could I try that one as well?
Of course. Here you go.
I actually prefer this white one.
Yes, it looks wonderful on you.
I'll take this one, please.
Great choice. Will that be cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you so much for your assistance.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new shirt.
Good morning. I need some banking assistance.
Certainly. How may I help you today?
I'd like to open a new account.
What type of account are you interested in?
I'd like a checking account, please.
Do you have your identification with you?
Yes, I have my passport here.
Thank you. Please complete this form.
Okay, could you help me with some sections?
Of course. What's your current address?
123 Main Street is my address.
And your phone number?
It's 555-0123.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, I work as a teacher.
How long have you been working there?
For about 2 years now.
Would you like a debit card?
Yes, please. That would be useful.
Do you want online banking access?
Yes, that would be very helpful.
How much will you be depositing today?
I'll deposit $500.
Will that be cash or a check?
Cash, please.
Please sign here on this line.
Like this?
Perfect. Here's your new card.
When can I start using it?
You can use it starting tomorrow.
Thank you for all your assistance.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good evening. Welcome to Star Hotel.
Hello, I have a reservation under my name.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Marco Smith.
Let me check our system. Yes, I see your booking.
Is my room ready for check-in?
Yes, it's all prepared. Room 304.
Is that a room with 2 beds?
Yes, it's a double room with a city view.
What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Where's the breakfast area located?
It's on the first floor of the hotel.
Is Wi-Fi included in the room price?
Yes, it's complimentary. Here's the password.
Thank you. How do I reach my room?
Take the elevator up to the 3rd floor.
What time is checkout tomorrow?
Checkout is at 11 a.m. sharp.
Do you offer room service?
Yes, we have 24-hour room service.
Perfect. May I have my room key?
Here's your key card.
And where are the elevators?
They're on your right-hand side.
Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night to you too.
How may I assist you today?
I need to schedule an appointment.
What kind of appointment are you looking for?
I need a dental checkup, please.
When would you prefer to come in?
Is next week a possibility?
Let me check our availability. How about Tuesday?
What time slots are open on Tuesday?
We have 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. available.
10 a.m. works well for me.
May I have your full name?
Yes, it's Marco Smith.
Is this your first visit to our clinic?
Yes, it's my first time here.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
And your email address?
It's marco.smith@email.com.
Do you have dental insurance?
Yes, I do. Here's my card.
Thank you. So Tuesday at 10 a.m.
Should I arrive early for paperwork?
Yes, please. Come 15 minutes early.
What documents should I bring?
Just your ID and insurance card.
Thank you very much for your help.
See you on Tuesday, Mr. Smith.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
Erica. Marco, what time do you usually wake up?
Marco, I wake up at 6:30 every single morning.
That's quite early. What's your first activity?
First, I always take a shower.
And what do you do after that?
I prepare my breakfast.
What do you typically eat?
Usually eggs and coffee.
What time do you leave home?
I leave the house at 8 a.m.
How do you get to work?
I take the public bus.
What time does your work begin?
I start work at 9 a.m.
When do you take your lunch break?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
What do you eat for lunch?
Usually a sandwich or a salad.
What time do you finish working?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What's your after-work routine?
I go to the gym.
How often do you exercise?
About 3 times each week.
What time do you get home?
I arrive home around 7 p.m.
How do you spend your evenings?
I make dinner and watch some TV.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around 10:30 p.m.
That sounds like a packed schedule.
Yes, but I enjoy my daily routine.
Good morning. Can I assist you with something?
Yes, I'm looking to buy a laptop.
What will you be using it for?
Mainly for work and checking emails.
We have several models available.
Could you show me what you have?
This particular model is very popular.
What's the price of this one?
It costs $699.
That's quite expensive for me.
We also have more affordable options.
Can I see some of those?
Here's one priced at $499.
What's the difference between them?
This one has less memory capacity.
Does it have Wi-Fi capability?
Yes, all our laptops come with Wi-Fi.
How long does the battery last?
About 6 hours on a full charge.
Does it include a warranty?
Yes, it comes with a 1-year warranty.
May I try using it?
Of course. Here you can test it.
I really like this one.
Would you like to purchase it?
Yes, I'll take this laptop.
Will that be cash or credit card?
Credit card, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new laptop.